It's the Suitcase Teachers, Miss Allie.
And Miss Steph.
Ooh, Miss Steph. Our suitcase has a special surprise today.
Oh, if you remember at the end of our last episode, we learned the last of our 5 vowels.
We did. We're done. In fact, that's something we've been doing for 5 episodes, and I'm sure all of you can review those with us. So let's do that really quick of our 5 superstar vowels. Ready? We learned A, and A said ah, ah, ah.
And we learned E, and E says
Eh, eh, eh. Then we learned I, and I said it.
And O. And
O says ah, ah, ah. And then we learned our last one was U. And U says Well, then we got to thinking and we started talking with you guys. And we said to ourselves, that's not all the letters.
We have a lot more letters.
21 to be exact.
Yeah. So we had to think, what about the rest of these letters? They're not vowels. There's only 5 vowels.
Right. So what would we call those? And then we learned that all of the other 21 letters are consonants.
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 Can you say that with us?
Consonants.
So our alphabet is made of vowels and consonants.
You got to have both because consonants help us to create complete words.
That's right.
Right.
Like in our vowels where we did the vowel sound in the middle, there were consonants on either side of the vowel sound to make the word.
Right. You can't just do it with the vowels. So, if we're back with our next episode after our vowels, then that means we're going to start from the beginning to learn our consonant letters.
Right. And if we start from the beginning, the first letter of the alphabet is A. Well, A was a vowel. We already know that one.
That's right.
And the next letter
is going to be
B. So today we're going to learn about the consonant letter B.
B. And B is an easy thing to say because you almost say it when you say the letter itself. So its letter name kind of sounds like what you use when you make the sound. B says B, B, B. Yep. You want to cut that sound. You don't want to drag out the B sound. So you don't want to go like ba. You don't want to do that. You want to cut that sound that it has in it with B, B, B. So let's do that together. Ready? B says B, B, B. Very good. Let's do it again. B says B, B, B. One more time. B says B, B, B.
Good job.
Yay.
So just like in our videos with the vowels, our suitcase brought us things that began with that letter. So our suitcase has brought us things that begin with our consonant letter B.
That's right. And that means that if we're going to see these, Miss Steph, what does that mean it's going to do?
I know. First, let's find out what they are.
Okay.
You ready?
Good. All right. Ooh, this is so cute. I see a baby.
Baby. I used to love to play with baby dolls.
I did too. I loved playing with baby dolls.
So much fun. And I see some bubbles.
Ooh, bubbles. I love that.
I still like to play with bubbles.
I do too. Those are fun. Then I see a bear.
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 And then here is a beach bucket.
Ooh, a beach bucket.
It comes with a shovel and a shell from the beach.
Wow, from the beach. That's fun.
That is fun. I love the beach.
I love the beach. And then there was a ball.
Ball. Okay, so on our vowel adventures, the things in our suitcase was always a clue
of where it was going to take us. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back through what we have here and see if we can figure out or make a guess on where we're going.
Okay. Sometimes this actually made us very shocked and surprised of where we were able to go. Okay. So ball. We ended with ball.
Okay. Well, we can play ball somewhere.
We could. Ooh, baseball.
And basketball.
Okay, so there's lots of different athletic balls that you can have to play different sports with. That could be fun, Miss Steph.
It could, but I have to tell you, Miss Allie, I'm not good at basketball or baseball.
I mean, I'm not either, but remember what we told you guys. Try.
Yeah, I'll try it.
But y'all might laugh at us. But that's okay, because
Yeah,
we would be
okay.
funny with that. But that could be fun.
It could be fun.
Okay.
All right, so I have bubbles.
Oh, I love bubbles.
I do too.
I mean, that would be fun.
Yeah, I guess we could just go outside and blow bubbles. They even have bubble machines that just blows lots of bubbles.
Or those big things where you make the massive bubbles.
Yeah, you can even put yourself inside of a bubble.
I know. Okay, that could actually be kind of fun.
That might be fun.
That might be a lot of fun. Okay, then we had a bear.
Okay, so a real bear can be at the zoo.
Okay, we could go to the zoo. That's doable. Because the only other bears would be either like a polar bear, and that would be too cold.
Yeah.
Or going to the mountains, and that would be scary. Because we don't want to be around grizzly bears.
I don't want to see a wild bear very up close and personal.
So the zoo would be the only option, I think, with that one.
Unless we go see teddy bears.
Oh, kind of like if you go and make your own bear or something like that.
Or something like that.
That would be fun. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, we've got that.
And then I had a beach bucket.
A beach bucket. Well, that's completely doable.
Yes. That's one of my favorite places, the beach. I love the beach.
That's a happy place for both of us. That would be a fun place to go. That might be somewhere we're going. And then our first one was a baby.
Okay. I guess we could see a baby.
We could. Or we could go where baby dolls are made.
Well, that's true.
And
or like a toy store where they have baby dolls.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. We'll have to see. I mean, little interesting. I don't know where we're going to end up going, but I'm always excited about this part.
Me too.
I know, to see where we get to take you. All right, so let's review. B says b. Very good. Remember, cut that sound. Don't drag it on out. Let's do it one more time. B says b. All right, guys, we're going to close our suitcase up. And we're going to see where we're going to visit. And we'll see you again in just a little bit.
We'll see you there.